serious?
Bye.
Okay, this is interesting.
What?
How do you feel right now?
Out of breath.
Oh, it was a walk to get up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good. You're doing good, Rita.
Now is the time to put my feet up a bit.
It's all yours. It's amazing. Amazing.
Amazing. It's amazing because it's so close
To home. Yes.
You don't have to travel 100 miles. You don't have to go all the way to Kentucky or
Utah.
or
Grand
those
Canyon.
other states.
Spend X amount of $1,000 on flight fares and hotel fares. Rent a car. Here, we start the car and we go out, we have lunch, we have a beer, whatever.
That's North Carolina right there.
It is, I ain't going to say too much because people is just going to think we're trying to sell them something. I'm not showing off. We just made a decision, that's all.